Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Mary, and I am very happy to be here with you again today. If you are learning English and you want to speak more confidently in real life, you are in the right place. In this podcast, we use simple English and natural conversations to help beginners learn step by step. Today, we are going to talk about a very important stage of life. Our topic is university life. University is a place where students learn, grow, and prepare for their future. It is also a place where students become more independent. Hello, John. How are you today?
Hello, Mary, and hello to all our listeners. I am doing very well today, and I am very excited about today's topic. University life is full of new experiences. Students meet new people, they study different subjects, they learn new skills, and they prepare for their careers. Today, we will talk about university life in simple English.
John, let's start with a simple question. What happens when a student starts university?
When a student starts university, everything feels new. It is a new environment. There are new teachers, new classmates, and new subjects. Students may feel excited, but also a little nervous. They need to learn how to manage their time. They need to attend classes regularly. They also need to study more independently. In university, teachers guide students, but students must take responsibility for their own learning.
That is very true. Listeners, repeat. Start university. New environment. Excited. Nervous. Independent. John, what are university classes like?
University classes are different from school classes. In university, classes may be larger. Sometimes there are many students in one class. There are different types of classes, such as lectures, tutorials, laboratories. In lectures, a professor explains the topic. Students listen and take notes. In tutorials, students discuss topics in smaller groups. In laboratories, students do practical work and experiments. Students must pay attention and participate actively.
That sounds interesting. Listeners, repeat. Lecture. Professor. Take notes. Laboratory. Study. John, what about studying in university?
Studying in university requires discipline. Students have assignments and projects. Assignments are tasks that students complete and submit. Projects may take longer and require more effort. Students must read books, write reports, and prepare presentations. Time management is very important. If students do not manage time well, they may feel stressed.
That is very important. Listeners, repeat. Assignment. Project. Study. Time management. Prepare. University is also about social life.
Yes, absolutely. Students meet many new people. They make new friends. They talk, study, and spend time together. Some students join clubs or groups. For example, sports clubs, music clubs, academic clubs. These activities help students relax and enjoy university life. Friendship is very important during this time.
That is wonderful. Listeners, repeat. Friends. Social life. Clubs. Activities.
Many students live away from home.
Yes, that is true. Some students live in dormitories. A dormitory is a place where students live together. Other students rent rooms or apartments. Living away from home teaches independence. Students learn how to cook, clean, and manage money. It can be challenging, but it is also a great experience.
That is a big change for many students. Listeners, repeat. Dormitory. Apartment. Live alone. Independent. John, what skills do students learn in university?
Students learn many important skills. They learn how to think critically. They learn how to solve problems. They learn communication skills. They also learn how to work in teams. These skills are important for future jobs. University is not only about knowledge, it is also about personal growth.
That is very important. Listeners, repeat. Skills, problem solving, communication, teamwork. University is not always easy.
Yes, that is true. Students face challenges. One big challenge is exams. Exams test what students have learned. Students must prepare carefully. They study for many hours. Sometimes they feel stress or pressure.
But with good preparation, they can succeed.
That is encouraging. Listeners, repeat. Exam. Prepare. Study hard. Success.
John, how can students enjoy university life?
Students can enjoy university life by balancing study and fun. They should study regularly, but they should also relax and enjoy activities. They can spend time with friends. They can explore new interests. University life is a special time. It is important to enjoy it.
That is a good message. How can students improve English in university?
Students can improve English by speaking with classmates, listening to lectures, reading books, practicing every day. They should not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help learning. The more they practice, the better they become.
That is very helpful. Listeners, repeat. Speak. Practice. Learn. Improve.
To all our listeners, university life is a journey. It is a time to learn, grow, and prepare for the future. Use your time wisely. Work hard, but also enjoy your life.
And for English learners, use simple sentences to talk about your university life. For example, I study at university. I attend lectures. I have assignments. Practice these sentences every day. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Keep practicing English.